Place the motor in the appropriate position on the frame. Engage the chain with the drive sprocket. Lay the vehicle on its side and align the threaded holes on the motor with the elongated holes on the frame. Use a hex wrench to screw in the bolts. Pre-tighten. Adjust the motor position to ensure the drive wheel is parallel with the driven wheel. Check the chain tension, then fully tighten the bolts. Take out the new electronic throttle and slide it onto the right side of the handlebar. Adjust the throttle to the appropriate position and secure it with a hex wrench. Route the wire around the left side of the frame, passing the connector through the hole at the bottom of the frame. Locate the corresponding interface on the controller and connect the plug. Connect all plugs, ensuring to match the plug types and wire colors correctly. After connecting, power on and turn the throttle to verify vehicle performance. If the vehicle operates normally, secure the brake cable with one zip tie to the frame. Leave enough throttle wire length to allow full handlebar rotation without interference or excess slack. Use 3 zip ties to secure the wire harness to the frame in sequence. Ensure the brake cable is flush with the frame. Use 2 zip ties to secure the remaining wires to the frame. Place the excess throttle wire on one side of the motor. After tightening the 6 zip ties, cut off the excess with scissors. The motor and the controller. Straighten all wires and bundle them with a zip tie, placing them in the gap between the motor and the controller. Clip the wire harness into the corresponding slot in the left plastic decorative cover and attach it to the frame. Attach the right plastic decorative cover to the frame. Secure the plastic parts with screws.